Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's Classics. Online at the moment we've got some very, very nice cars, one of them being this 68 HR sedan. This is a really, really good example. It drives nice and tight. We took it for a run down the road before. Most of the paint I would say is original. If you get up close you can see where it's been sort of polished that much. It's sort of polished through the paint. Interior trim's been redone but it's been done correctly. And it's just a nice, straight, original colour. The chrome works good. He's got it sitting on a set of mini light wheels. It's slightly lower than standard. And it's just a true classic. And it's not overdone. It's not rippling up the doors, anything like that. And the HR is probably one of the most popular early Holdens. The HR and the EH with the pick of the bunch for most people. This one's online at the moment. It's a ripper car. There's zero spend on the car. So give us a call on 1300 Classic. Or if you want some more information, shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au.